Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much and you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui and in my channel is all about hair tutorials step by step, makeup and sometimes lifestyle. So kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bells so that you don't miss anything when I upload. I normally upload twice per week. In today's video, I would like to share with you guys how to make a donut bun on short natural hair using braiding hair. In my spray bottle, I put water and leave-in conditioner, which I spray on my hair before I start to apply gel. And the gel I use in this video is Eco Gel Style. So I divide a small section, the position I want my bun to be, and I continue to divide a small section using my fingers. Then I apply gel on those small sections to make my hair easy to get enough gel. I make sure I brush those sections after I apply gel to make it easy to grab them together. And this brush I got it from local store supplier, but I don't remember the price. So after I finish apply gel in front section, I brush. Then I secure them with hairband. Then I move to right and left side, which I do the same process to divide a small section using my fingers. Then apply gel and after that I brush and secure them together. To make sure my hair slick well, I brush the first time with big brush, and after I finish to apply gel on my hair, I take another small brush and I brush my hair again to make sure my hair really slick. So after I done with applying gel and brush and I make sure my hair gets enough gel, I go ahead and braid the tail to make things easy when I want to place my donut. And after that, I take my scarf and I place it on my hair for about 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I'll come back guys and we will continue with our process. Here we are after 30 minutes. I take off my scarf and this is how my hair looks like. I will use bobby pin and braiding hair, but your braiding hair must short, not too long. Then I take hairband and attach it middle of my braiding hair. Then I attach hairband on my natural hair. And after that I take a brush and I brush my braiding hair to make sure everything is okay and everything is clean. This is a handmade donut. If you are interested on how I make it, please leave your comments in comment section. Then I will make another tutorial on how I make this donut. So I place it middle of my hair. And after that I spray my braiding hair to cover all the donuts. And after I make sure I cover the donut, I take brush and I brush my hair again to make everything clean and neat. And after that I take another hairband, I place it on top. Then I trim off all the excess braiding hair. I am very careful when I trim off all the excess hair, because if I trim too much, the donut is going to hang out. So in this stage, you have to be very careful. I take another hair I braided. I'll put the link in description below on how to braid this hair, because my previous video I show how to braid 3 stunt line for bandika step by step, and this is the one of the hair I braided in that video. If you haven't watched it, please take your time and watch it. So after that, I place bobby pin in the beginning of my braiding hair and I place it back of my head. And I make sure this braiding line cover well all the excess hair, because I didn't trim off all the excess hair to avoid my donut to hang out. Then I place bobby pin to secure my braiding hair. And I make sure I cover the tail very well. You cannot tell. Then I trim off again any excess hair I see hanging out. After that, I turn my donut and trim off again any excess hair. And here is the end of this video. I hope you love it and you enjoy watching. If yes, kindly hit the subscribe button below, give this video a thumb up, comment, and share. I love you guys, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.